Now this is very very important and last topic in this chapter, generator, AC generator. This topic already you are studied in 10th class. Again it is repeated. AC, A stands for alternating, C means cyclic generator. Alternating means repeating, cyclic. Alternating starts from here, one cycle, second cycle, third cycle. So alternating cyclic generator or AC generator. What gives AC generator? Generator gives the induced EMF in the coil. Induced EMF in the coil is called as, in this topic, as ACMF. AC EMF. AC generator gives ACMF. Now what is AC generator? A device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A device converts mechanical energy into electrical energy is called AC generator. It is designed by Faraday. Now how it was designed? The same design exists in the Nagarjuna Sagar. The Nagarjuna Sagar, what it is called? Power generating station. In the Nagarjuna Sagar power generating station, the turbine is rotates. We will get the ACMF. Not only that one, especially we can say in cinema theaters, shopping malls, in the bank, if the current is suddenly switched off, immediately they can start the generators. In the generators, what happen? One is rotates. Which is rotates? That is called as coil. The coil is rotates, then we can get the induced EMF or ACMF in it. How it is? Now, in every AC generator, we take one rotor which is rotates. We take one rotor which is rotates, just like the piece of chalk, just like a rod. This is called axle. Otherwise rotor. Why it is rotates? It is rotates. Around this axle we take one wire. In AC generator, on the axle or rotor, a wire is wound. Means wire is wound with a number of turns. The first and second end of the wires are separately connected. This is the rotor or axle, like this. Okay? This is the rotor or axle. Around this, what happened? In AC generator, on the axle or rotor, a wire is wound with a number of turns. The first end, a second end. The first end and second end of wire are separately connected to the two slip rings. This is one ring. This is another ring. The first end of the wire, second end of the wire, separately connected to the slip ring. This is one slip ring, this is another slip ring. That rings are here provided, that rings are what happened? Slip. The first end and second end of the wire are separately connected to the two slip rings with carbon brushes connected to them. These two are called as carbon brushes. Okay, once again, in AC generator, on axle means rotor, a wire is wound with a number of turns. The first and second end of wire are separately connected to the two slip rings with carbon brushes connected to them. This whole arrangement is taken between a strong magnetic field. Strong magnetic field be given by the ns poles of magnets as shown in the figure. In every generator, even in Nagarjuna Sagar also, in the thermal, Nagarjuna Sagar is called hydroelectric plant, and thermal power plant is located in Kottagudem. There also compulsory one axle is present, around it the wire is wound, the first end of the wire is connected to the slip rings, second end of the wire also connected to another slip ring, the two slips are connected to the carbon brushes. The whole arrangement is taken between the strong magnetic field which is given by the magnets, ns poles. This is the construction. Okay. Now, how we can get how we can get ACMF? This is the axle. Now we want to rotate this axle. How we can rotate this axle? When water is falls on it, this is starts to rotate. Or steam is falls on it, it starts to rotate. Now, axle rotor is rotated by external agent like flow of water or steam. When water is flows, now it starts to rotate, or steam is falls, now it is rotates. Then coil is associated with varying magnetic flux. This is the coil. Now it is rotates. This coil is associated with the varying magnetic flux per every one cycle. This is first cycle. This is the second cycle. Per every one cycle revolution, axle is rotated by external agent like flow of water or steam. Then the coil is associated with varying magnetic flux per every one cyclic revolution. As a result, induced EMF is established in the coil as a alternating cycle. Okay, as a result, induced EMF is established in the coil as a alternating cycle, which is in the form of a sine wave. Now we want to show that which is in the form of a sine wave with 5 steps. Now we want to draw that 5 steps to get AC EMF in the form of a sine wave. AC generator, induced EMF is established in the form of a sine wave under 5 steps. In AC generator, the coil is exist. The coil is rotates in the magnetic field or in the magnetic flux. When it is rotates, the association of the magnetic flux what happen? In changes. When the association of magnetic flux is changes, we will get induced EMF in the form of a sine wave. How it is? Now let us take example. This is north pole, this is south pole. Here the coil is there. In step 1, north pole, south pole. Magnetic lines are like this and like this. So the magnetic lines are not passing through the coil. So induced EMF is 0. We know the equation for induced EMF in the coil as per Faraday is E is equal to E naught sine omega t. E is equal to E naught sine omega t. This is the equation we are derived in the beginning classes. The induced EMF as per Faraday law, E is equal to E naught sine omega t. Okay, here omega t is how much? 0. Magnetic lines are not passing through that. Now let us take, when the axle is rotates, now the coil starts to rotate. When the coil starts to rotate, the association of magnetic flux is increases and increases, becomes 90 degrees. When from here to here the association of magnetic flux is increases, so induced EMF also increases. What increases? Induced EMF is increases. I am taken here, it is induced EMF E in this direction. Already we know that one, theta. Okay. Now, when first here the step 1, the coil is like that, the theta is 0. When the coil is rotates, the association of magnetic flux is increases and 90 degrees becomes maximum. So increases and becomes maximum. Then it is rotates, association of magnetic flux, what happened? Decreases, decreases, decreases and becomes 0. So here what happened? Association of magnetic flux is gradually decreases, so induced EMF also gradually decreases. Now here angle is how much? 180 degrees. Here 0, 90, 180 degrees. Sin 180 is how much? 0. After that, the coil is rotates. Now it is rotates in which direction? Opposite direction. Why? First it is here 90 degrees, 180 degrees. Now it is opposite. How much? 180 to 270 degrees. Here also the association of magnetic flux increases in step 4. Step 1, theta is 0. Step 2, theta is equal to 180. Step 3, theta is equal to 180. See the diagram. See the diagram. See the diagram. Here 0, here also 0. Same diagram. Step 2, here like this. Next, step 4, rotates. See the change the diagram. It is in this side, it is in this side. So association of magnetic flux, what happened? Increases but in opposite direction. So induced EMF is gradually increases up to how much? 270 degrees. Why? Here to here the association of magnetic flux is increases. Sin 270. Sin 270 how much? -1. So in this side. Then after it is rotates, the association of magnetic flux, what happened? Decreases, decreases and becomes 0. Now what is the angle? It is 360 degrees. Again from 270 to 360 degrees, the association of magnetic flux is decreases, decreases and becomes 0. So induced EMF also 0. Now in which shape we will get the induced EMF? In the form of a sine wave. Then after it is rotates continuously. This is one revolution. Next revolution also the current is like this. So when the generator or in AC generator, the coil is rotates in the uniform magnetic field, the association of magnetic flux is varies from 0 to 90 degrees, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. How many steps we have taken? 5 steps. Step 1, step 3, step 5. 1, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. Diagrams are same. 2 and 4 diagrams are different. That's why in 2 and 4, 2 up, 4 down. So for every revolution we will get EMF in the form of a which one? Sine wave. So equation also indicates that only. Means in the generator compulsory the coil must be rotates in the uniform magnetic field. So association of magnetic flux increases. As a result, induced EMF is established in it. That EMF is called as ACMF, alternating cyclic EMF. This alternating cyclic EMF is in the which form? Is in the sine form. And Faraday also proved that E is equal to E0 sin omega t from the mathematical expression. Okay, this is about the AC generator. In every generator, this principle is adopted.